In this video, I'm going to show you how to create easting and northing coordinates in Autocad. We'll go through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll be able to visualize and label coordinates on your drawing with clarity and precision. To begin, let's start by creating a point in Autocad. This will be the reference point for which we'll generate the easting and northing coordinates. Once you've created this point, it's important to make sure it stands out clearly on your layout. To do this, we will modify the point style. You can easily change the point style by using the command ddpty. This will bring up a menu that allows you to select from various predefined styles. Choose one that makes the point easy to see in your project. Now that our point is set and clearly visible, we need to add a text box. Place some text on your drawing near the point. This text will eventually display the coordinates. After the text box is ready, position your cursor inside it, right-click, and select Insert Field. This is a powerful feature in Autocad that allows you to dynamically reference object properties. In the Field dialog box, navigate to the Field category and select Objects. This action will show options related to object properties in your drawing. Under Field Name, choose Object. At this point, you'll be prompted to select the object type. Click the Select Object button and pick the point you just created. This links your text dynamically to that specific point. After selecting your point, you need to specify the property you want to display. In this case, choose the Position property. This determines what information about your point will be shown in the text field. You should now see a preview of the field text displaying the coordinate information of your point. Within the preview, you have the option to select both the x and y coordinates. These correspond to the easting and northing values, respectively. Confirm your selection, and just like that, the coordinates are now dynamically displayed in your text box. If you need additional points, you can reuse this setup by simply copying and pasting both the point and the associated text. Use the regen command in Autocad to refresh and update their coordinates automatically. This ensures that any repositioning or changes are reflected accurately on your drawing, giving you a seamless and efficient workflow. By following these steps carefully, you'll effectively manage your project's reference points with clarity and precision, adding another level of professionalism and accuracy to your Autocad projects. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.